Oh, this might be as good a time as any to mention. So I do GPS my tracks. And so if you're up here and you don't know the system, you can take my tracks and use them. You can follow them right along. We're hopping back on the railroad grade now. You can use them to plan with, or you can ride right along with my tracks, whatever you want to do. As the system changes, I will, this track will be current for the rest of the 2021 season anyway. I don't see any drastic changes come for 2022. That said, I always keep my stuff updated, so as we go, keep an eye out on my videos for updated tracks.